The 7 Great Benefits of Chia Seeds. Hello everyone. Welcome to our video all about the 7 great benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are a nutritious superfood that can help you stay healthy, so let's dive in and discuss all the benefits these amazing seeds offer. Chia seeds have been around for a long time, but it's only recently that they've become popular. They are a great source of essential minerals and vitamins, as well as plant-based proteins, healthy fats, and dietary fiber. They have a mild, nutty flavor and can be eaten raw, added to smoothies and salads, or used as an ingredient in healthy recipes. Now let's take a look at the 7 great benefits of chia seeds. 1. Against anxiety. Managing overeating can be quite a challenge. We often get tempted and snack in between meals. Chia seeds are a great option for satisfying hunger due to their high fiber content. Therefore, it is suggested to consume them at breakfast, so that one can make it to lunch without feeling too hungry. 2. Source of omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acid aids the optimal performance of the central nervous system, vital organs, and cells. Furthermore, omega-3 has anti-inflammatory properties that can relieve joint pain. Chia seeds are a useful way to get omega-3 into the body. 3. Natural antioxidant. These seeds have a diuretic effect, allowing the body to flush out fluids and toxins. Additionally, they help to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut and can reduce the risk of oxidation. 4. Helps maintain muscle mass. In addition to being a good source of fiber, chia seeds also contain a significant amount of protein, which helps to rebuild your muscles. 5. They hydrate you. Chia seeds are a type of seed that is high in nutrients and has several health benefits. One of the unique properties of chia seeds is their ability to absorb water and expand in size. When chia seeds are soaked in water, they can absorb between 10 and 12 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like substance. This property makes chia seeds perfect for athletes and people who engage in significant physical activity. When consumed before or during exercise, the seeds can help to keep the body hydrated by providing a source of water. They can also help to reduce muscle fatigue and improve endurance by providing a sustained energy source. 6. They protect us from ultraviolet A rays. This is because of its abundant nutrients and its antioxidants. Not only will it shield us from the harmful ultraviolet A rays, it will also protect us from the harmful effects of tobacco smoke. However, to gain these benefits, it is necessary to have it daily. 7. Ideal for diets. Chia seeds have a number of properties that can help with weight management and dietary needs. They are a natural diuretic, meaning they can help flush excess water out of the body. They are also high in fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. And they contain protein, which can help build and repair tissues. All of these properties combined can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight and manage your dietary needs. So there you have it, the 7 great benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are a great way to add nutrition to your diet, and they can be used in many different ways. So if you're looking for a healthy and tasty way to add nutrition to your diet, chia seeds are a great choice. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.